Alright folks, take two. We've fixed up the tool here, and hopefully this isn't too much juice. This is, I don't know what it is, 20, 24 volt or something. Let's see if maybe we clamp it there. We got the light going here so we can really see what we got going. It's not going to work. Gotta clamp it right onto the wire, I guess. Got this old tool from my buddy Scotty Fiesler a million years ago. He never used it. He bought it for making like, oh, see, I think it's just too much volts, folks. It turned red hot and then burned right in half. We just got too much juice going here. But that's the idea, is to run the hot wire through the foam and cut a nice straight line. Bandsaw isn't going to do it. Razor blade's not going to do it because this foam is so soft, you know. Look, it started making a nice cut in it too. Maybe with this juice, we just get a thicker piece of wire. Anyway, I'll try to put a piece of safety wire on there. Be right back.